Hi there, it's Carl here from Cleaning How To, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to clean a car mat using a hack that we've been employing on our car details for a number of years. I've got a Volkswagen Passat CC that's been in for a full paint correction today, and we're now turning our attention to the interior, which is really dirty. The owner of the car is in and out of building sites, so the car is really dirty inside. What we're going to use is a Kirby vacuum cleaner with a rotating mechanical action brush head on it, and what that is going to do is vibrate the soil out of the car mat. 95% of soil in carpet or upholstery is dry, meaning if you get it out dry, when you introduce moisture to wet clean it, you're not going to emulsify the dry soil and create mud, which is going to create wick back, making it much harder to take out of the carpet. We're going to use the vacuum, as I said, to clean the mat before introducing any moisture, and I'm going to show you guys how we do that. So as you can see, there's lots of grit on the mat. Now that means that there's going to be a whole lot more dust and debris down at the base fibers of the carpet. So what we're going to do is turn the carpet onto its face, put it down on the ground, and place the vacuum underneath it. And just to prove concept, I'll show you what's underneath it now. And let's do this for about 30 seconds and then see what's underneath it. Okay, so that's done exactly as I was expecting, and it's after releasing a whole load of dust out of the mat. So I'm going to vacuum this up and do it again. Okay, we're now on the second round, and we've got about half the dust of the first pass. So I'm going to vacuum this up again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum the mat down with the vacuum, with the mat now facing up. Okay, so we now have a much happier looking mat. We've probably removed, as I said, about 95% of the dry soil. There are one or two little bits of sticky residue that obviously aren't going to vacuum out, but now we're pretty much ready to pre-spray the mat, agitate it, and use wet extraction methods to properly clean the carpet. But it's a must to get the dry soil out of the carpet first, and that's exactly what we've done. Okay, I've moved around to the table now so I can show you guys how to wet extract the car mat using the shop vac. So what I've got lined up on the table here is my vacuum attachments, rubbing alcohol, some dish soap, a nail brush, a sponge, and of course my shop vac. The vacuum is going to suck out the dirt that's suspended in the water that I'm using to wash the rug down, and I'm going to make up my own cleaning solution here that consists of rubbing alcohol and dish soap. You only need a couple of squirts of dish soap, maybe half a teaspoon, and about 20 mils of rubbing alcohol. I'm only using about 2 litres of water, and I'm simply going to put the water into my sponge and work it into the mat. Now, remembering that I've taken out 95% of the dry soil with the vacuuming earlier, so all that's left in the mat really is going to come out now with the sponge and the brush. So now I'm going to brush my cleaning solution through the car mat. And I'm going to use my shop vac with a narrow attachment to vacuum the slurry out. Okay, we now have a fully cleaned car mat with minimal fuss. It's taken probably all in maybe 5 minutes between vacuuming the mat down mixing up my ingredients for my wash solution, washing it and extracting it. All it needs to do now is dry and we're good. So that's pretty much it for the video. Carl here from Cleaning How To. If you liked it, there's a button down there to let me know you care. If you want to see more of our videos, please consider subscribing. Any questions, comments, fire them in the box below. Thanks for watching.